In the previous video, we talked about having a career in sales and supercharging your road to millions. So if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check out that video after this one. But as of right now, let's dive into the industries that will most likely make you rich as a sales professional. However, just as a side note, I won't be ranking these industries from best to worst or vice versa. So be sure to stick around through the full video so that you can find your perfect fit. So jumping straight into it, first on the list we have consulting sales. And consulting sales is a powerful industry that can lead you to jaw-dropping earnings. So as a consulting salesperson, what you'll be doing, you'll be selling your company expertise to potential clients. And with a career like this, you'll get to demonstrate your competence, knowledge, as well as your savvy persuasive skills in order to make sales with your clients. And trust me, the earning potentials as a consulting salesperson is extraordinary, with a base salary ranging from $120,000 to $250,000 and commissions ranging from a low end of $25,000 and a high end of $3 million. And with numbers like that, this industry can pave the way for achieving that financial goal that you've been seeking and earn the wealth that you've been really looking for. And next on the list is the thriving world of real estate. And I know real estate is a sales career that a lot of people explore and that a lot of people is familiar with. But trust me, with the earning potential, there is a reason why so many people is interested in a career like this. Keep in mind though, in order to be one of the top earners within this career, it does require that you become an expert within this industry. So your charm and your ability to understand your client's needs will be your best friend within this industry. And with an average salary sitting a little over $73,000 a year, the top earners can see numbers upwards of $500,000. Alright, so now let's talk about the broad and cultivating sales field of financial services. As a financial service sales agent, you'll be selling financial products that will make both you and your clients plenty of money. From banking to securities and insurance, the industry offers diverse opportunities. And although the average salary sits at about $65,000, you still have the potential to earn a little over $250,000 through commission. If you think $250,000 sounds good, just know that commissions in this field can take you in the 7-figure range. However, a bachelor's degree is often required, and an MBA can boost your chances of landing senior positions. So moving on to the fourth industry within this list, we'll be talking about software. So if you love technology and is familiar with technical jargon, then software sales might be your golden ticket. So within this field, you will be selling software, whether that is to consumers or other businesses. And although in most cases it might not be required, but if you do possess a college degree, it may be able to help you within your salary ranks. So with an average base salary sitting at about $73,000, some of the top earners earn a little over $76,000. But that doesn't mean the earnings stop there, because you do have the potential to earn commissions that can range anywhere from $250,000 to close to $1 million. So last but not least, let's talk about the cultivating world of sales engineering. So as a sales engineer, what you'll be doing is selling complex scientific and technical products to businesses, making technology absolutely irresistible. While a degree in engineering or related field may be preferred, candidates with sales and technical experience also excel within this industry. While the top 1% of sales engineers earning over $370,000 per year just as a base salary, their commissions boost their earnings further past those 7-figure marks. And there you have it. That was the top 5 industries that will most likely help you reach the riches as a sales professional. But remember, I didn't rank these industries from best to worst or vice versa, because each industry had their unique way of earning those riches. But if you found the information of this video valuable, be sure to smash the like button to show your support, and also don't forget to watch that previous video if you haven't already, and explore the channel for other videos that you may find beneficial. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.